My truck broke down at 2 a.m. and I had no clue where my other drivers were. Sound familiar? When you're managing a fleet, these nightmare scenarios happen more often than they should. That's exactly why FleetFabric exists. We give you real-time visibility of every vehicle in your fleet, so you always know where your drivers are and what condition your trucks are in. Our platform tracks maintenance schedules, monitors vehicle health, and sends alerts before problems become breakdowns. No more 2 a.m. surprises, no more scrambling to find backup drivers, no more angry customers waiting for delayed deliveries. With FleetFabric, you get the control and peace of mind every fleet manager deserves. Your drivers stay safe, your customers stay happy, and you actually get to sleep through the night.